changes their mind?
It's not changing their minds, it's more like changing their hearts, because that's where the truth lies. Because the mind can, be fed of all these lies that the world says, and even though they don't know it, they already love that baby, very, very deep in their hearts, and just knowing that there is life inside of them, and that that baby's growing, and that's their baby, they kind of start coming out of it, like seeing it in another perspective, not the negativity of the world. And then obviously seeing the ultrasound, that's the best part. They go like, no way, there is life in there, that's my kid, I'm not gonna hurt that baby. Even if they're going through a very hard situation, they choose life, and that's when we are there. That's when we really, that's our job, right? When they choose life, and be there for them, and reassure them, and walk with them, and give them everything they need. And yeah, that's our word, that's our promise, and we